Hi, so another song, another request from Ham Apake Kun. And this song is Jute Dedo Peselelo. Jute Dedo Peselelo. That's just a guess. Anyway. Ooh, someone kind of smiling. It looks like he's going to dance. So let's go and watch it. Yeah, a dancing song. I didn't recall a dancing song from this movie, so that'll be good. I guess you have to have songs in which people danced. And play. Oh, for a second I thought they speeded up the video. That man is trying to take Summer Con Shine over there. Summer kind of doing a good job. I'm trying to remember the thing about the shoes. I don't know. I like this part and then it gets into the music. I like it where it goes together. I do.
किसी बेतुके शायर की बेसुरी कव्वालियों दूल्हे की सालियों हरे दुपट्टे वालियों जूते दे दो पैसे ले लो जूते दे दो पैसे ले लो
She's trying to find the shoes. Isn't it thing like you have to find the shoes or something? It's a game. You think she's gonna find them? Who's gonna get him? Ah! The ghost. Are they just gonna have a look together if he catches her? In which they're just holding each other and embracing each other? That look, that embrace, and a broken bed. Is she gonna drop the shoes or she's gonna take them? Oh. If this song and the way the video is, it just makes you want to watch the movie. And like, if I hadn't seen this movie already, it made me want to go like, oh, that movie looks good. I loved all the little scenes in between, the funny scenes like the dog drinking her Coke, or Anukin Kirk trying to take the money, or even the fact that he filled that lady's plate with so much food, and even the little storyline with her trying to find the shoes, and like she's like doing this behind his face and stuff, like she doesn't like him at all, but then you see that they really do like each other, and she can't forget him. I love that. Did you love the way that was picturized? But in terms of that song was awesome. I didn't remember these fun songs. I didn't, y'all. I don't remember enjoying these songs so much. I was here having a blast. And is it me? Because I look at the words for the other song too. Aren't some of the songs just like having to do with the movie? If you look up this song, I feel like the song's just going to be about shoes. I might be totally wrong. But it's just going to be about shoes. What'd I say? I just looked up the lyrics. And Juta Dedo Pesalelo means give the shoes back, so take the money. I guess that's the fun of the movie, to actually have songs that relate to the movie. And that's songs in which that you can play in any movie and they go along. These songs actually have to do with the actual movie. When you're trying to think about give me the shoes and get the money, you're like, oh, you know that song from Home Applique Coon. They're trying to get the shoes. And I thought Salman Khan did a great job. You see, Salman Khan used to dance in the 90s, and nowadays they don't make him dance no more. Salman Khan is stuck doing this. And I just thought he did a great job. He looked good. Oh, Salman Khan looked... Anyway, Maddie looked good, Salman looked good, and the song was refreshing and lovely to hear. And I loved just the little dancing you would have in the video. When I saw the choreography, I was like, oh, that looks so cute. I liked it. And then I keep rambling, but I keep saying the same stuff. Everything all adds up to it's good, okay? I liked everything in the video that I saw, and it was good. And the end. So, bye.